The overwhelming number of drug offenders turning themselves in is a big challenge in the war on drugs. So far, they number around 900,000, far beyond what the 44 accredited drug rehab centers nationwide can handle. Only 15 of the facilities are government-owned and can only serve around 5,000 patients.
Kaya nga napakarami nila at saka kami nahirapan na rin sa congestion.
Health Secretary Pauline Ubial says only 1% or 9,000 patients should be confined in rehab centers. But she admits the facilities can't take in all of them.
It is always very challenging, like to find out that you budgeted for 1% and then you get about 5 to 10% of the population.
Officials are hoping more donations will come from the private sector. And Alliance Global, owned by tycoon Andrew Tan, is taking the lead as it offers to build a drug rehab center. It will be built inside Camp Bagong Diwa, the headquarters of the Metro Manila Police Force, and will serve around 500 patients. It will have a physical therapy center, outpatient department building, wards, a swimming pool, basketball court, and a gym. Cabinet Secretary June Evasco says the President wants to rehabilitate drug suspects and not simply neutralize them. That's why Evasco has this message to the critics of the war on drugs.
This is a challenge to one and all. Stop criticizing. Instead, participate in this program to rehabilitate our own people.
Government plans to put up 4 major drug rehab centers nationwide, 2 in Luzon and 1 each in the Visayas and Mindanao. It also wants to provide treatment facilities in each province. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.